Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So whenever I start a mock test or any kind of actual examination, I always look for the sentence rearrangement questions because that is very easy. Easily you can just get 4 to 5 marks in exam. So this time I got this and I am going to start with the sentence rearrangement. But in actual exam, you will get the RC first. You will get 7 to 8 questions or maybe 9 to 10 questions of RC from the beginning of the test. So what I usually do is I skip that section because that is a time consuming section and you actually need to find the sentences before you answer anything. So that is why I prefer skipping them. Okay, so now I will not talk so much that may distract you. Let's focus on the test. And yes, I'm not scoring 30 in this examination, but I'm scoring a good mark, that is a 20 plus in this examination, because I have never scored almost 20 in any kind of Olive Board examination, Olive Board mock test. So I'm quite satisfied with the marks because the examination, the mock test level was also moderate, it was not easier. So I can guarantee you that if you are able to score 20 in Olive Board examinations, then you can definitely score till 25 or 26 in actual exam, because in actual exam you will get easier questions than the Olive Board mock test level. Okay, for now, bye. Guys, actually it is taking me so much time to solve this. I usually don't take this much of time. पता नहीं क्या होगा. Let's see. Well, I know you are getting bored, right? But you have actually watched this much. I'm very thankful to you. Thank you. For me also it was quite boring because I'm just voice overing this, and this is just killing me. So I know it is boring, but honestly guys, it's very useful. Those who want to improve their English, do watch this session guys, because you'll get to know how to choose the questions so that they can fetch you more and more marks in actual exam. Because as we know in SBI there is no sectional cutoff, so we don't need to get like 20 plus in exam, but at least we can get a 15 17. We have to, because it's not the time like even if you score 35 out of 35 in maths, 35 out of 35 in reasoning, you get 70 and you are just scoring 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 or 5 to 6 even, you are not able to score, especially for those states who are having very less vacancies or literally zero vacancies. So for them the cutoff gonna be higher, maybe a 80 plus. So to do that we have to score a minimum of 10 to 15 plus in English examinations, because we know that 35 out of 35, scoring 35 out of 35 in maths or reasoning is that easy. It's not that easy, right? So we need to focus on English a little bit, but we need to focus. I am soon going to start a video how you can improve your reading skills, because I find reading is the like the must. You have to do it actually. You have to improve your reading, speaking, or reading skills especially, so that you will you will get so many new words and their uses as well, and also you will get the sentence structures. You will understand the sentence structures and their uses, and also that will help you in parajumble, because in parajumble you actually need to arrange the sentences, right? So I guess the reading is the very important if you want to score good in English examinations. So I will surely come up with a video how to improve your reading skills. Well, I think these are some software issues. Maybe at the time of video rendering, This happened. Actually, when I was giving the mock test, there was no such issues I found. So I think at the time of video rendering, this happened. Maybe. Ignore. So now I am done with the exam. Let's analyze the English section. So now first I will just review the mistakes of mine. We will review question number 4, 7, 13 and 28 because 41 and 64 are of quant. Okay. So we'll review those 4 questions first in this video. Actually I was not getting where to click at that time. Okay. So now see the first questions, the 4th number questions I got wrong. Let it be. Question number 7. Okay, the test today are the test is singular here. It need to be plural. The test will be there, not test. I was actually confused at the time of giving the mock in this paper. Why I put it like D, I don't know. I was confused between two. Fine. It was also I was confused like maybe the physical or intellectual. I was not sure about the answer. I should have skipped this. So now I review those questions I have not attempted. So I have not attempted actually 5 questions as far as I remember. So we'll start with this. So I will just guess randomly because I think that D will be the answer. I don't know because such as hona chahiye, that should be such as, not such that. I think I exactly don't know that. Let's see. Shit. Actually, I'm not getting where to click to get the answer. It's a bit difficult. I mean, in Adda and all, you will get so easily. These things you will get so easily. And all about it are quite not difficult. Nothing is difficult in kind like these work is not difficult. It's like you're not habituated, right? C. D was the right answer. Moving on to the next question. So actually, these are the questions I didn't get time to finish actually. So I'm just guessing them, just like seeing the answers right now. I'm not re-attempting it, right? It will basically you'll get to know once you get solved the RC or once you solve the RC, you'll get to know all the answers. So I'm not going through the RCs right now. The video gonna be longer than forever. So manifold means many, so many or various, right? Actually, even this moment of time also I don't know what would be the answer because in these sentences given I'm not finding the right way to adjust the word into the sentence right now. I'm just getting the second sentences, right? The second sentence is maybe the answer. I really don't know about the first and the third one. Let's see. See, I'll guess everything, but the last option will be correct right now. Hurry up. See, I told you. I guessed everything and the last is correct. Last one. Okay, moving on to the next question. So I was just showing you that manifold means various. Now it's quant, so it's the time to end the video. I hope you like the video, guys. This is my Instagram ID. Please follow me and subscribe to my channel. The next video will be on quant and the up next will be on reasoning. Thank you.